Okay, IKEA lovers, if you thought the designer look comes with a designer price tag, not so fast. I've packed 10 new IKEA finds for you that are all under $10, some of them even under $5, that look stylish, high-end, designer, yet are completely on a budget. So stay with me as we go through all of them. But first, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mon, and these here are my two whippets, Zara and Mars, and we love all things IKEA DIY and interior design. So before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to the channel, ring that notification bell and hit that like button to never miss another video again. Also, all the products are linked into the description box. Now let's go! The first new IKEA find under $10 is this cute little Bluetooth speaker. Now this one is tiny but just super cute, especially in this white with the tiny cube shape. It honestly looks more like a decor than a speaker, so you can just leave it out on a shelf and nobody would ever guess it was under 10 bucks. Music in the kitchen, balcony, bathroom, bedroom, or styled nicely on a shelf. Right off the start, 10 out of 10. The next new IKEA find under $10 is this magnetic curtain tie back, and you get two of them for $10. This is just such a great find. It's chic and genius at the same time. What I love, other than the tassel boho look, is the fact that it's magnetic, so you can literally just click it onto your curtains and it holds even on double layered curtains. No tying, no fuss. It's honestly the easiest way to make your windows look styled. The next IKEA find under $10 is this clock, and again another simple but so stylish find that has such a timeless look. What I really love is the shape. It's really unique and so interesting. This design is literally from IKEA's 90s archive, which is probably why this one feels so classic. And although it comes in a few colors, the best one is obviously the black. It's great for styling, and at just under $10, this one is a real steal for sure. Now next up we have this tin with lid, and for $4.99 it might be my favorite steal of the video. This one is meant for coffee or tea, but it looks so good, almost like chrome with that ridged surface. It really looks like something you'd actually want to leave out as a decor. However, this one is not just pretty, the tin keeps the light out so your coffee actually stays fresh, which is amazing. I'm really loving this one. It comes in a few shapes and sizes, plus storage that doubles as decor is always a win. Now the next IKEA find under $10 is of course the NÅLBLECKA kitchen organizer. This one is made out of bamboo and metal and is honestly one of those things you can find so many uses for around your home. Decor, spices, kitchen accessories, coffee supplies, even skincare, and it will make all of it look so good. That mix of bamboo and metal just reads stylish. I mean, anything this cute and this versatile for under $10 is an easy yes for me. And speaking of kitchen gems, I also have to mention this beautiful carafe. I mean, just look at this shape, and I'm not exaggerating at all when I say it's honestly the most beautiful carafe I've ever seen. I'm just in love with this shape. I love the clear minimal look, everything about it. Plus the fact it's only $9.99 is just everything. The next IKEA find under $10 is this temperature and humidity sensor. Now I know a sensor doesn't really sound exciting, but just look at this one. It's so minimalistic, it does the job, and it kind of just quietly sits there and tells you everything you need to know about your room. Practical has honestly never looked this clean, and just kudos to IKEA for making basic things look this cool. The next under $10 find is this table lamp base for only $7.99. Now this one is all about the bulb, obviously. Paired with a cool light bulb, this one will look so cool. Let me just say that I love products that literally give you the option to experiment and make it your own. That being said, I can see so many DIY opportunities with this one. It looks especially good with the donut IKEA bulb. That combination is just chef's kiss. The next IKEA find under $10 is this cushion cover. And again, another find with such a minimalistic expression, the stripe pattern, the black and white, and a fabric that honestly looks way more expensive than it is. And that's the trick with the simplest pieces. They're the ones that elevate the whole room. Just pair it with a plain insert and your living room instantly gets that quiet designer feel. Loving it so much. And the last find I have for you is this pine frame. Now this is just a basic pine frame that looks so good, even with basic art in it. What I love about this one is the fact that it's made out of untreated pine, so you can stain it, paint it, or just leave it as is. It also comes in a few sizes, all under $10, and just try getting a whole gallery wall this pretty for this price anywhere else. That's why we love IKEA. And that's a wrap for today's finds. Now guys, let me know which product was your favorite and which product you're instantly adding in your cart. I mean, I know I'm adding that cushion cover and of course those chrome metal containers. I love those so much. Anyways guys, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and ring that notification bell, allowing all notifications to never miss another video from me again. Thank you so much for watching and for sticking with me to the very end. And as always, I'll see you designers next week. Bye! I mean guys, have you noticed that we have a new pillow here? A new cushion. This is a Zara home find and I really like it in this whole setup. And Zara loves it too. Right girl? Mars, hi there. We will not bother you. Oh, Zara I think was awake in the middle of the video, so maybe you got her awake, but now she's asleep again. I'll have to get a bigger chair for Zara since I'm just counting the days when she will fall asleep and fall off. Okay guys, love you, see you next week, bye!